Hi Glommies! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, yes, I am very excited na naman because we will be having an unboxing. Excited talaga kapag unboxing, no? Lalo na from Althea. Yes, I just received this box from Althea. This is their PR package for their Althea Angels, and fortunately, I am one of them. Kaya I'm so excited to unbox this with you, and itatry na rin natin for my first impression yung mga products na nandito sa loob nito. Okay, so without further ado, let's proceed. So eto na yon, eto na, buksan na natin, unbox natin, ha. According to Althea, this is one of their newest product. Kaya sobrang excited sila dito. At sobrang excited din kami mga angels dito sa bago nilang product. Ito yung product nila na nakaano sa PETAL Velvet. So here's the box. Kinda small from the previous boxes na natanggap ko. Ooh. Ganun pa rin. And they have a letter. It says here, "Hello Angel, with beautiful skin comes beautiful responsibility, which is why we're flying our next amazing Althea exclusive product, the PETAL Velvet SUNAWAY SPF 50 plus PA+++++ to you. It's a lightweight, non-sticky, broad-spectrum sunscreen that protects you from the sun's harmful rays. Harmful rays, ano ba yan? UVB and UVA. We made it with the highest protection grade of PA+++++, so you can stay protected while keeping the sun away. So I think this product has the highest protection from the sun. If you love our PETAL Velvet powder, then you'll love this too. It has the same petal-like finish, made with damask rose extracts rich in vitamins to penetrate deep into the skin to moisturize, strengthen, soothe, and smoothen your skin like a rose petal. We pop in hyaluronic acid to lock in hydration and sebum control with microparticles to give you a velvet finish. Oh, that's good to hear. Ito na. Ito na yung laman ng kanilang box. First item. Oh, this is very cute. Yeah. Ang cute, diba? It's a makeup kit. Ito, excited din ako dito sa kasama niya, yung PETAL Velvet na powder. Kasi I haven't tried this, pero I am eyeing for this. Bala ko talagang bumili nito, kaya lang since nagsabi sila na magpapadala na sila, hindi ko na siya binili. And they sent me these 3 shades, which is the number 0, number 23, and what's this? I think this is the pink lavender. Ito yung pinaka newest nila, shade nila for this item. And of course, the star of this package is their newest PETAL Velvet SUNAWAY with SPF 50 plus PA+++ sunscreen. So ganda lang. So nakalagay at the back, with damask rose microparticles, shake well before usage. Tapos Korean na siya, and It has 55 ml, 1.86 fluid ounce, dermatologist tested. So, let's open it. Oh, ang cute ng packaging, pink and white. Ang ganda talaga ng packaging sa Korea, no? It's very cute, diba? Can you see that? Diba? Plastic lang siya, so you can easily bring this when you are traveling. So, ganun din, yung makikita mo sa front niya is yung Petal Velvet SUNAWAY. And at the back, the same. It's the same. What's on the box. Ganun din. So, it says here na shake well before usage. May expiration dito. That's the good thing. It expires on 2021. So, ganda. Oh. It's liquidy. Ha? Tapos parang, ay, I'm hearing something. Ayan na. Parang there is something inside. Siguro parang ano to. Parang maliit siya na ano. Para siya yung, pag sinake mo, siya yung mag-blend sa product. So, ayan no. So, let's try ha. Try na natin to since lalabas ako ng bahay. So, itry natin to. Wala pa akong sunblock. I already moisturized my face. Pero, sunod na natin i-touch. Bango niya, ha? In fairness, anyway, lahat naman halos ng Korean products talagang sobrang bango Ayan siya, oh. Liquidy siya, unlike dun sa ginagamit kong sunscreen na from Korea rin, yung if you compare it sa ano pangalan nun? COSRX na sunblock, mas liquid ito. And guys, sinabi rin sa amin ng Althea na wala tong white cast. So, that's the number one. Diba? Number one na hinahanap natin sa ating sunblock. Kasi usually sa mga sunblock, may mga white cast yan. And that's a no-no. So, eto na siya. Ayan, oh. Wala na. Nag-absorb na siya sa skin ko. And, hindi ko maano yung amoy niya, pero amoy petal siya. Amoy rose petal. Ang bango. So, let's try it on my face. Pasensya na, ganyan po talaga ako maglagay ng mag-apply ng sunblock para well distributed yung product. So, let's spread it. Blend it. Ginamit ko ng salamin yung camera, no? That's okay. Ayan. Oh! Glamis! This is so good! Look, oh! It moisturized my face. Ang ganda lang. Tsaka, there is a little bit of tackiness, pero maybe it will set pa. Pero ayan oh, 'di ba? Parang nag-freshen up pa yung face ko. Tapos parang nagkaroon ng glow. Can you see that? Can you see the glow on my face? Wow, I'm impressed, Althea.
Hi, Glamis.
I like it. So, and eto pa, according to Althea, sabi din sa amin na magandang partner nito if you are in a hurry and you don't have time for a full makeup, punta ka lang dyan somewhere, magandang partner nito is syempre, yung Petal Velvet powder nila, of course. And we will try. I'm so excited to try this because I've heard good things about these products. And ano kaya ang ating siguro try natin to, no? Yung pink lavender, yung newest shade ng powder na to. Ito yung box ng Petal Velvet Powder. Ayan. Ang cute, diba? Ang cute talaga ng packaging pagdating sa mga Korean products, no? Yun na nakalagay sa likod, yun nga, is yung Petal Velvet Powder, pink lavender. And the rest are Koreans. Expiration, 2021. Oh! It's a travel-friendly size. Look at this one. So cute. Oh my God! Ang ganda, diba? Pink. Tapos, smoke yung plastic. And at the bottom, ganun din, nakalagay Petal Velvet Powder. Made in Korea. Althea. And the expiration, gaano siya kadami? Wala siyang gaano kadami. Wait. Walang nakalagay kung gaano siya kadami. Wala. Anyway, so let's open it. And it has a cute ang cute naman ng sponge na to. Tapos nakalagay dito, oh. Hello beautiful, please remove this sticker before use. Ang bango! May lavender! Of course. So, let's try. Let's see. Sabi nila, you just need to pat it in your face. Maybe to lock the moisture, no? Nung ating sunblock. Oh, this is nice. Well, di naman ako mag-expect ng some coverage sa powder na to. Kasi, as far as I can see here, wala siyang coverage. Kasi yung mga blemishes ko dyan, no, pimple marks, andyan pa rin, talagang kita-kita pa rin at walang pinagbago. Kasi nga, girl, pink siya, diba? Pink lavender, so I think magbibigay lang siya ng pink flush sa face ko. Pero, yeah, it's true na yung finish nga is the same dun sa sunscreen. Petal velvet finish talaga. Grabe, ang kinis. Ang kinis sa pakiramdam. So, ayan, no, nakikita nyo. Nawala yung pagka-glow ng face ko. Kasi nga, syempre, nilagyan ko na ng powder. Pero, diba, meron pa rin konti. Can you see that? Let's finish na. Para matapos na to. Parang may cooling effect siya. Pero what I love in this product is yung ano niya. You know, ang kinis lang. Kahit wala siyang coverage, pero makikita mo, pinapakinis niya yung face mo. Siguro dapat palang, kasi yung isa, alam ko yung zero. Number 0 is translucent yun eh. Dapat siguro, etong isa yung ginamit ko, yung warm beige. Baka meron siyang coverage. This is okay with me. Hindi naman ako pupunta ng malayo eh. Mag-grocery lang kami ni Happy. Ayan. Tapos na, nakita nyo? Did you see the difference? Ang ganda. Ang ganda sa ang ganda sa pakiramdam. Sobrang soft. sa face nung nung powder. I love it. Match na match siya dun sa sunblock nila. Kasi nga, the same lang yung finish nila parehas eh. Baga eto, nung nilagay ko to, talagang nag-refreshen up yung face ko. Tapos nag-give ng glow. Tapos eto pa, 'di ba? Although tinanggal niya yung minatify niya yung face ko, pero yung smoothness nandiyan pa rin. I love it. For my first impression review for these two products, I can say that it's a good buy. Yeah. You try this if you are looking for a sunblock na it really gives a full protection. This has the highest protection among all the sunblock in the market. Yeah, they claim that. And definitely this is worth a try. Ang ganda ng finish niya, yung petal velvet finish niya, tapos it gives your skin a natural glow. And hindi siya malagkit, at saka ang bonus dun is there is no white cast on this. And of course, this one, yung petal velvet powder nila, grabe yung pagbigay ng smoothness nito sa face ko. Sobrang ganda. It has 3 variants. Meron silang yung translucent, meron silang warm beige, and this one, yung newest shade nila is yung petal velvet. Nakita nyo naman yung ending niya sa mukha ko, diba? Parang wala lang. Naging fresh lang yung face ko. Tapos parang, oh no, I'm ready to go. No makeup look. Powder and ano lang yan lipstick, powder, and sunblock. Diba? Carry na. Grabe. If you want to buy these products, you can visit their website at www.althea.kr, or they have an application, mobile application sa Apple and sa Android phones. You can download that and para mas mabilis yung pag-purchase ninyo. And I've heard na meron silang ongoing promo, a discount for these products, and kung bibiling nyo na package nitong petal velvet powder with the petal velvet powder, they have an ongoing promo for these products. So you gotta try that. So that's all for today. And always remember to be yourself, choose to be happy, and let your star shine to be glam beautiful, because God loves you and your imperfection. Bye!